something isn't right. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. Yeah, definitely something's not right, and it's based on my observations, but it looks like most people, probably even you, are not living the life that you want to. Some of you are, but very, very few. And you have to wonder why. If you're not living the life of your dreams, why don't you do something about it? And I don't know if you think that you can't do something about it, but whether you've studied people like and read books by Napoleon Hill or Dr. Joseph Murphy, or even the Bible, they tell you think accurately, that you're, what you think and feel you create, and you create what you believe, and to be careful what you think about. And these messages have been passed on to us, yet what do? We don't think about what we're thinking about. We just carry on and do whatever seems natural, and we react to what's happening during the day. So we're not actually thinking about what we want. A client of mine the other day said that she had she wanted $2,000 to pay for some expenses and get some things she wanted, and so she just asked for it. She just said, okay, I want this money, and I want it to come through now. And then she got a phone call from somebody who is a friend and said, I have this project, and it's $5,000, and your part would be $2,000. And there it is. She received it. So she thought what she wanted, she focused on it, and then she asked for it, and then she expected it, and she got it. So she was using her thoughts accurately. She was doing what Napoleon Hill said: think accurately. Think about what you want. So most people don't think accurately. They think about the things they don't want, or the things they fear, and they have doubts and so on. So I don't know what's going on, but I mean, if I had to guess, I would say there's probably a tiny little percentage of people around the world like me who think about the things that they want and focus on it and ask for it and look for it, and then the rest just live by reaction. Live according to the world. The world is just whirling around them. Things are happening, and there's no real focus or real care or concern for what they want. And right now, you're probably thinking something, and ultimately, those thoughts are going to lead to something. And you have to realize that. Your thoughts are going to create your things. That's what happens. You think something, and then you focus on it, you get images in your mind, and then it starts to create that possibility. That's what happens. It happens all the time. It's how things are manifested, how things are created, all of the time. There's no question about what's happening on a daily basis, the things you're thinking about. The other day, I built a garden in the back, a raised garden, and the amount of thought that went into that, the preparation, thinking about the materials to get, where we're going to get them, what we want to plant, and so on, and then even visualizing where we're going to put it and what's required, and sunlight and so on, and all that. There was a lot of thought put into it before it actually happened, and it took many, many hours of preparation, but just a couple hours, or maybe less than an hour, to put it in. But that's the thing. Our thoughts lead to our things, and we have to realize that more and more. So today I'm going to challenge you to write down what you want, focus your attention on it, even visualize it, use your prefrontal cortex. This is your imagination right there. Use it and see what happens. Imagine that, picture it, feel it, and see what comes. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, go over there. There's many videos like this. It'll help you out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.